strange friends here in India. My name is Marissa. It's beautiful here. Yes. Well, I'll tell you how this place came to be. Many eons ago, there lived an enlightened Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur, whose hearts were one with nature. So much so that the Maharani turned her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I was inspired by her story every time I visited India. Then one day I decided to make Anandapur my home. Now I follow in her footsteps as caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures. And now, this is my favorite part of each day, as the birds fly here to join me in a dance to welcome you. It's one of the reasons I love to gather adventurers and wilderness explorers like you here. Curiouser and curiouser. Come on, bud. Everyone wants to explore Asia today. All right, back that way. To the left. Well, I am proud to be a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chidia tribe, Goofballs. This is a mudra or hand gesture for Chidia, which means bird, and mor, which means peacock in the Hindi language. And today, we have another senior wilderness explorer visiting our gathering. He asked if he could bring his dog along, and since we are friends to all, I was happy to oblige. Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug!
Hello, my name is Russell, and I'm a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell! Tell us about your furry friend!
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake, boy! Speak, boy!
Hi there!
Why? You can talk. How does this work?
Please do not touch that. Hot breath.
Hey, you're speaking Hindi. And English? More like English. Tell us your name, boy.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, Doug. A good wilderness explorer loves all animals.
Just like our motto says.
Exactly. We say,
an explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
you all know this part. Everyone, follow along. The wilderness must be explored. Now you.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Oh, wonderful job.
Hey boy, we made it to India. I think we're gonna travel back to that.
Oh, shabash, that's great. We have almost everyone here except for one of my good friends. Like me, she's one of the caretakers of the birds who have made Anandapur their home. Please welcome my friend, Cassie.
Hello, everyone. Welcome and namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the birds' natural behaviors to better understand whisperer. And you can be too. Have any of you ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did. With our bird friend, Kevin.
Who's Kevin?
She lives near Paradise Falls, a place lost in time. She goes gaga for chocolate.
Oh, wait a minute. You fed a bird chocolate?
No, you should never feed a bird chocolate.
Oh, really?
But she must have been a very special bird.
Oh, sure, she's very special. None are like Kevin.
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
Oh, well, Russell, what does Kevin look like?
Oh, I know. Like a bird.
Good boy, Doug. Anything more specific?
Kevin has long legs.
She can run very fast.
Colorful.
Wow. And big.
Tall, fast, colorful, loud, and big. Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
Yes, and now we're ready for our next bird adventure.
Well, great. I think we all are. Are you all ready to meet the birds that call this place home?
Oh boy, let me go get my camera for my adventure book.
Okay.
Come on, Doug.
Oh, Russell, Doug, hurry back. And who do we have first today, Cassie?
Well, I think we might meet Miles next.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and he usually hangs out this window over here. Let's see if Miles is ready to come on out. What do you say, buddy? Sometimes he's a little bit shy. Let's see if I can help him out. Hey, there he is. Look at this beautiful bird. Miles is a trumpeter hornbill from Africa. These birds are designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart in and around trees, catching flying insects, their favorite treat, without using speed.
I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild? Oh, wonderful. Okay, I'll help while we call him back. We're going to create a forest in the wild right now. So if you're seated on the end of the row here in our lower center section, stand up. Then turn into the aisle and face the explorer just across the aisle from you. Great. Now facing each other, raise your arms like this. The tall, open, curved branches of a tree. Great. We have a forest. Now hold it.
All right, that looks like an excellent forest. Okay, we're gonna see if Miles wants to come on back and show off some fancy flying. All right, let's see if he wants to come to me or Amy. He can choose whichever he likes. What do you say, Miles? We got a great forest out here.
Come on, Miles.
And those folks up there get a nice close look at him too.
Bird's eye view.
Even his beak, I see. Well, that's important. It's always important to have a clean beak. All right, buddy. Nice close look for you guys. All right, now keep that tunnel nice and steady. Open it up a little bit on the top. Open it up on the top, sir. There you go. Perfect. All right, Miles. Look at that. Great job.
Great job! Now look at the explorers on this side of you. Do the same thing. If you're seated on the end of the row, stand up, then turn to face the explorer just across the aisle from you. Great, raise your arms like those tall, open, curved branches of a tree. Great, we have another forest. Now hold it.
All right, you guys. He is pretty fast when he flies. Young lady in the striped shirt, go ahead and move your arms a bit. Yeah, a bit wider. There you go. That's great. All right, Miles. What do you say? Here he comes. Great job.
Oh, let's give them all
You're great too, Miles. I don't have any insects, but I do have another grape. Do you want to have another treat? Yes.
And that's why there are no flying grapes in Africa.
They definitely don't stand a chance with birds like Miles around, that's for sure. All right, Miles, you are doing such a great job out here today. I think everybody's going to get another nice look at you. Look out.
Everyone wants to explore, not today.
Yeah, that's for sure. I dropped your grape. I am so sorry, buddy. You know what?
5 seconds.
Even, yes, that's right. 5 seconds. You get some more in the back, too. There you go. And some more treats in the back. All you have to do is hop on back in there, and it's left at the light.
You remember?
Yeah.
The most important behavior is going home at the end of the day.
That's right. And the light's green. We'll see you later. You're thinking about it. Take that leap of take that leap of faith, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. We'll give it another try. What do you say? All the way back here?
Miles gets his name from Miles Davis, the famous trumpeter.
That's right.
They make an awesome trumpeting sound.
That's true.
That cast on the top of their head.
Inside, buddy. Here you go. Lots more treats inside.
Yep. There you go. That was Miles.
You did a really great job.
He did.
Yeah.
He just wanted to show off his wingspan.
That's right. That's right.
Find the birdie.
Well done.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Point.
Did we miss the birds?
Not to worry, Russell. We have many more birds to show you.
Oh yeah, as a matter of fact, you're right on time.
Really? I don't see anything.
Guys?
Where?
There.
See anything over the birdie?
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. This guy is a ground hornbill from Africa.
My friend here, the small mailman, told me that I am from South America. See? You're so. Yes, I am.
Well, ground hornbills are amazing birds. They get their name because they spend a lot of their time on the ground. And that beak can be as strong as a sledgehammer, but they can also use it like chopsticks.
Hey, let me get my camera.
Your camera, that's your camera. Oh, hey, you guys, I need some help out here with Tino. Oh, I'm sorry. You know, he's actually not really angry. It's just natural behavior for ground hornbills to peck at their food.
Oh, I'm sorry about your camera.
My wilderness explorer's camera.
Are you alright, small mailman?
Kevin was fast, but not so wild.
Oh, yes. Very, very fast.
Well, being fast and smashing food are some of the behaviors birds learn to survive in the wild.
And, you know, there's also birds that live around people. For example, there are ducks, right? And around here, there are also guinea fowl.
You might miss her.
And around here, we also have chickens.
Hello, ladies.
I think he wants to play tag.
That must be how the chicken learned to cross the road.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
We'll be right
Chicken
back.
birdies.
Don't go back, boy.
I think they're in for more than they can handle. Chickens are fast and pretty smart. There are all kinds of birds with special talents and others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
Ah, like parrots.
They grow on you.
But they don't make such great pets.
They can bite
And scream.
and they poop everywhere.
Very true. Definitely not the best roommates.
Very true. But some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like Keto.
We have to show you this cool bird. Thank you, Bradley. This is Keto. She is a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. They're normally found in Central America, but she's lived around people her whole life, so she's learned to show off her personality in some pretty fun ways. Let's see if she wants to show off a little bit for us today. Keto, would you like to start off with a greeting? Can you say, very nice. And she's learned how to do some animal impressions. Let's see if she wants to show off some of her animal sounds. This is my all-time favorite. Let's see if she'll do it. Keto, do you want to do your tiger?
Intimidating.
Okay. Was that a little
Yeah,
too
that's a little scary.
Too scary. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, let's see. She has one that's a little tamer. Let's see if she'll do that one. All right, Keto, that one was a little scary. You want to try this one instead? How about your kitty cat? Oh, that's pretty cute. But I gotta tell you, the coolest thing that Keto does is sing. Do you guys want to see if she'll sing her song?
She's ready.
She's excited. She says, you're right, that is the coolest thing I do. All right, Keto, do you want to turn around, sweetheart, so everybody can see you? Okay, are you ready? Let's sing.
Background dancers.
My favorite part about that song, it is literally different every single time she sings it. You never know how many guys she'll get, where they'll be.
She loves her vowels.
Yes, she does. You know, she's also learned to do something else pretty fun when she hears you. Do you want to say goodbye? And live to be over 50 years old.
That's a lifetime commitment.
Oh, for sure. Absolutely. A lifetime commitment.
Oh, hi, Doug.
Be my friend. Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please be my friend. I am back now from tracking chickens.
So are the chickens fast like Kevin?
Kevin's much bigger. She could outrun them.
Oh, well, how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Wingspan! I know that. It's how long it is from tip of wing to tip of wing.
That's right, Russell.
So how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Huge, like this big.
There are birds with much larger wingspans.
Yeah, like the albatross, the largest flighted bird in the world. The size of an albatross wingspan would be like me and Marissa standing fingertip to fingertip.
Wow, that's big. And I'm pretty sure Kevin's much bigger.
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much, much bigger.
Oh, really? Like that bird?
Ah, a dinosaur!
Scary birdie, scary birdie.
Don't wait for me!
Guys, she isn't scary. She's just big. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Hey, don't you mean don't judge a bird by its feathers? It's a bird joke. Well, this is Victoria, our African fish eagle, also known as the voice of Africa.
Watch, she's even bigger when she flies.
And Victoria, she's one of our largest birds here with a wingspan of about 6 feet wide.
Now, how does she get the name Fish Eagle?
Ah, because they love to take fish right off the top of the water.
Must be where she's headed right now. And that was Victoria.
Doug and Russell come back.
No.
Yeah.
Very scary bird.
Well, maybe we can move on to another bird. We do have some other cool birds to share with everyone. I know the rain is picking up a little bit out here too.
The birds still fly in the rain. I'm not sure.
Yeah, in the light rain, the birds can fly. As you can see, we have a cute little cardinal over here.
Oh, Doug. Flash your back.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, Wilderness Explorer is a friend to all.
That's right, and all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they will show you just how wonderful they are.
Oh, show me the birdie.
Well, one of our favorites around here is the crown crane. Everyone meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
This is one of the many birds here that help connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Hey, say hi, Doug.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
And they like you. The gray-crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa, where they're practically royalty gold crowns. Can you imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
I like the birdies.
I'm so glad, Doug. All right, Fraser, what do you say, buddy? Come on down here all the way. Go
Watch us leaving here.
Now, since you like him, do either of you want to feed Fraser?
I do.
You do? Okay, Russell, come on over here with me. I have a bowl with some treats. I'll just hand it right to you, okay? Ready?
He really goes gaga for bird seed. My hair sticks up like that. My mom makes me brush it.
That's funny, Russell. It does look a lot like hair, doesn't it? But you know, those are feathers. As a matter of fact, everything on a bird is feathers. Even their eyelashes are feathers. Fraser, you are such a beautiful bird, and you did a wonderful job. We'll see you later. That's Fraser Crane.
Friendly bird.
I'm so glad you liked him, Doug. I think you might like our next bird, too. We're going to travel to South America next and meet a bird that has a behavior that looks a lot like hopping.
I have not seen a birdie hop before.
Ah, well, if anyone can, a toucan can. And here is Marissa with some volunteers to have the perfect hopping environment for our toucan. What do we have?
This is Gio and Stephanie. Give them a hand.
Did you guys know that toucans are considered to be magical creatures?
That's right. The indigenous people of South America say that the toucan can send messages between the living and the spirits. They're even immortalized in the night sky in the constellation
Sunny wants to show off some hopping. What do you say, Sunny? You want to show off some of your hopping? You got some good arms. 1, 2. It's just a watch. You're okay. 3, 4, and 5. You guys want to see him go back again? All right, one more time. What do you say, Sunny? Back the other way. 1, 2. You can do it. 3, 4, and 5. They'll use that to catch insects and pick fruit. They can even toss food back and forth to each other in a very tasty game of catch. And you two will have an opportunity to see him fly. We're going to see if Sunny will make a nice long flight all the way over to the wall where that hand is waving. That's our stage hand. Sunny did a great job, and how about a hand for our volunteer?
Oh, that is a good and smart birdie.
Well, you know what, guys? Coming up next is my favorite bird. Quite possibly my favorite animal.
Look, Cassie!
Here she is! The bald eagle! A symbol of pride for the United States of America! Everyone be hope! That's right, Russell. They get their name from an Old English word, piebald, which means white-headed.
I think that bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
And so inspiring, too. You know, not long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. But then, thanks to conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping the population to recover. And I am happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Thank you. Now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Moor Peach were dull. But in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. During molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That's why I'm delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is Peacock Moor in Hindi, Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Well, Russell, did you know there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? And you don't have to go that far to find them. Many can be found in your own backyard or your local park back home. And to get you started on your next adventure, be sure to download the Nature Passport app.
Great idea, Cassie. Just ask any of our Wilderness Explorers cheerleaders how to find out more. You know, whether it's a Kevin bird, or an eagle, an owl, a toucan, or a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Hey, Russell, look behind you. That's a purple Tarako lion.
this thing with all